Hello guys and welcome to VoloKin Project. It's your favorite YouTuber Tony here. Today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and first impressions of the ZTE Nubia Z60s Pro. Now, in case you're wondering why am I half a year late to the unboxing game, well, simply because I got this phone at a very discounted price from AliExpress rather than from the Nubia's official UK store, essentially saving me 50% of the price. Check this out guys, they had a promotion on the 11/11 for end of year or something like that, so basically I've paid 229 British pounds including delivery and everything, considering that the current pricing for this phone in the UK store is 469 pounds guys for the exact same phone. Now, when this phone was released in July 2024, it was retailing for about 700 pounds, and at the time the price was right simply because that was their flagship phone. However, 6 months down the line, it was heavily discounted and I just couldn't say no. Of course, at the back of the box, the specifications are missing as always. I don't know why manufacturers do that. You have a blank box instead of making the YouTuber's life easier and highlighting the specifications, but with some simple editing, I'm gonna tell you what we are talking about. 6.78-inch AMOLED screen, 1260 by 2800 resolution, a little bit higher than 1080p. We're talking about Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, excellent SoC, 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, that's the base version, 5100 mAh of battery, 80 watts fast charging. And about the cameras, 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel telephoto, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 16 megapixel selfie camera with stereo speakers guys. So pretty much flagship specifications over here. But let's have a look at the build quality and the firmware itself guys. So I'm going to unbox this baby over here and see what we're dealing with. And in case you're new to my channel, that's how I buy my phones guys. I really don't like paying retail price when phones come up. I'm really not into the hype train, you know. I usually have flagship phones. I'm filming with the Oppo Find X7. I saw the X8 coming up and I was like, no. 1,000 pounds for a phone? No, that is not me. So, Nubia Z60s Pro, a couple of months old, still flagship specifications? Yes, that is definitely me guys. And of course, if you want to follow me on my channel, feel free to do so. I have a TikTok as well. I do ringtones, videos of old phones, a little bit of nostalgia, but for the YouTube, I'm keeping the more serious stuff and particularly good deals guys. I'm gonna leave this phone on the side for now and let's have a look at the box. What else do we have over here guys? The box is nice, by the way. It definitely leaves a nice impression after unboxing it. And let's have a look. What do we have here? Okay, we have the case. However, it's not a silicone case, but rather, let's have a look. It's plastic case, but at the same time, it is kind of flexible. Definitely interesting, says Nubia. How do you pronounce this, by the way? I say Nubia, but is it Nubia? What's the correct pronunciation, or how do you pronounce it? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm actually curious to know what the right way is, but I like it. There's a case. And over here, let's have a look. Come on. Right. Okay. Let me just check all this stuff on the side. Let's have a look. What do we have here? Okay, we have a cable here, which I already like. Check this out. I like this color, guys. It's kind of a, you know, brick red color, as I would describe it. And what else do we have here in this pocket? Nothing. Right. Okay. No, that's not very nice. That's not very nice. I'm gonna take it back. We have a spare compartment, which I don't like. That's the power brick. It's rather, you know, not that brick-ish, it's kind of compact. USB to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C with a red accent over here. I like that. And there's another compartment filled up with nothingness over here. To be honest with you, where is the SIM pin 2? It must have been somewhere over there, but nevertheless, guys, oh my god, let's have a look at this absolute camera unit over here, guys. Okay, I like the symmetry though. I like the the symmetry. When you hold the phone like that, check this out. You have the 4 cameras over here. Definitely looks nice, guys. And yeah, there's nothing like, you know, unboxing a new phone, guys. Unfortunately, I don't do this often as I wish nowadays. But you know, life changes and you have to adapt somehow. I missed the train, I missed the YouTube train. I felt to you know, become a millionaire reviewing phones, but yeah, I don't live in the US, so there we go. But yeah, have a look at that, guys. That's a very interesting how, check this out. Okay, I have some glue over here. Right, check this out, guys. This pattern over here looks very nice. It's smooth to the touch. However, you have this pattern over here, and of course the humongous lump over here. What is it? 35 millimeter IMX 90650 megapixel. Okay, check this out, guys. Check this out. IMX 906. That's a Sony lens pretty much on the main camera, which is quite good. Now on the side we have a power button in red. I really like that. It's reached and it's made of metal. The whole phone feels super solid, by the way, and it has a flat screen, guys. I know quite a lot of people don't like the you know, the curved screens because of, you know, various reasons. This one is actually flat, don't worry about it. And what do we have over here? We have a volume button on the side, and as well as, I can imagine, alert slider or maybe a programmable button. It's been a while since I have you know, another Nubia phone. Actually, I just told a lie. I'm I'm testing the cheap Neo gaming phone, the Nubia Neo 5G, something like that. It's not very impressive, but it's very cheap, so not too bad. Really, on top, I think we have a air blaster over here, guys. I'm gonna have to test it out. 1 camera, antenna lines over here. On the left hand side, 2 antenna lines, and everything is nice and clean. Over here we have the speaker grill, USB-C, mic, and SIM tray, guys. So overall, very solid in the hand, guys. Really very solid phone. Oh, wait a second. Be yourself. Check this out, guys. Be yourself. Okay, I'm really not sure how to take that, but nevertheless, it is something and it is interesting. You can see the reflection. Okay, so this is my Oppo Find X7 over here. You can see it in the reflection. I used to film my videos with my Xperia, you know, Xperia, how do they call it? 1 Mark III or something like that. And of course, the fingerprint stopped working and it stopped charging. So, well, there we go. Yeah, I had to move to this one. Let me just set it up quickly, guys. I'm just gonna go like that. I'm not gonna put any combination, but man, this screen is big. This screen is definitely big, guys. And in case you're wondering, Tony, why did you buy this instead of the other whatever ZTE flagship phone model was? Not this one, but the other one, you know what I'm talking about. Simply because this one has a proper camera, guys. I'm really not fan of, you know, under the screen cameras. The technology is really not there. I want a proper selfie camera, and I get it over here, guys. So I'm going to reduce the brightness. So there we go, guys. Oh my god, it's absolutely huge, this phone. It's absolutely huge. And can you see the gap over here in the icons? Definitely I'm gonna need to tweak the launcher or install Nova. But to be honest with you, it's been a while since I installed Nova launcher. But yeah, attention showing super lock, automatically update for today's wallpapers. Okay, this is good. This is good. Check this out. Oh my god, this is absolutely amazing actually, guys. And it's a live wallpaper. Oppo is doing that, but not with live wallpapers. Look at that. It's animated, guys. I really like that. This one is animated as well. I actually know this wallpaper, but over here it's animated. Right. I definitely like that. Okay, boom. the phone is open. Oh my god, guys. And check this out, the Android version over here, although I bought it from AliExpress, and although this is a Chinese device, I have the Play Store, I have all the Google applications, I have absolutely everything. So basically, this phone is ready to go, and that's after a factory reset, guys. So pretty much we're good to go. Let's have a look about phone. My OS K or 14, maybe 14, Android version 14, Nubia Z60s Pro, 256, 12 gigabytes of RAM. Now, I had a very nice Oppo Find X3 last year, guys, and the only reason that I sold it was because 128 gigs of storage was getting filled up quite quickly, and I just needed more storage. So definitely, I would say 256 gigs is my bare minimum. Let me know in the comment section below how much memory do you need nowadays, but that's the bare minimum that I can take. 12 gigs of RAM, that shouldn't be an issue. I bet you can increase the RAM with some software trickery, but that's pretty much it, guys. Status, let's have a look. Okay, sim status, uptime, hardware version. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Have a look at that. August 2024. Okay, Google Play system. Fair enough, nothing extraordinary. Is weird that it says, check this out, build number GB at the back. So most probably they flashed the official UK firmware on it. There's no way for me to know, but I'll test it out, and by the looks of it, with all the Play Store and everything, that is actually the case, guys. So there is so much I can say about this phone in the initial impressions. Let's snap this case on and let's see what we're dealing with over here, guys. Okay, so what happens when you put on this case? It doesn't add too much on top of the bottom. The sides are still exposed, so you can actually feel the metal. And at the back, check this out, guys. And at the back, it looks like a photo camera. Of course, I definitely like it, guys. I'm not going to use this hole for a linear art. I'm older than that. But yeah, I like the case. I would have preferred, fully transparent, silicone case. But in this case, I like the case. So not too bad for a free case. Not too bad. And there's some rich effect going on around the camera. Have a look, guys. Okay, what does it say over here? Let's have a look. Neo Vision photography. Okay, Neo Vision photography, what I will say. So yeah, give me some time, guys. I'm gonna give my full review as soon as possible, hopefully before Christmas. But so far, for £230, I don't think you can get anything better than that. Let me know in the comment section below, did you watch the video just for verification that you made the right choice? Are you currently using this phone? Do you like it? What are the drawbacks? I'm curious to see before my full video review, but so far, so good, guys. I am impressed indeed, and I like what I see. But yeah, I'll see you very soon with my full review. In the meantime, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you a little bit later on. Thank you very much for watching. Adios.